Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure your MacBook is awake and plugged in if battery is low. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar or Open System, Settings Wi-Fi to start scanning. Make sure the Wi-Fi toggle is switched on so the machine can list nearby SSIDs. This first step gets you to the available networks. Do not skip it because an off toggle is the most common blocker to proceeding. You now select the network name that matches your router or hotspot. Be careful with lookalike SSIDs in public places. After selecting, type the Wi-Fi password precisely, and use Show Password to check for typos when available. If the network requires WPA2 or WPA3, macOS will negotiate security automatically. For enterprise setups, you may need to choose 802.1x and provide credentials. Once authenticated, the Mac negotiates an IP via DHCP so you can reach the internet. Once connected, check the Wi-Fi icon for signal strength and open a web page or use terminal ping Google.com to confirm traffic flows. If you have a local connection but no internet, renew DHCP lease in network settings. If that fails, restart the router and your MacBook because many issues stem from the router state. If still stuck, toggle Wi-Fi off and on, remove the network from known networks and rejoin. And make sure router firmware is current. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most persistent cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.